Thank you for your purchase of the Priceless Template Bundle for Fall Markets from Sweets in the Soul Printables. These templates are completely editable using the free version of Canva. You may edit the color palette, fonts, clip art, and content. To make this product uniquely your own and to fit your purposes and your brand, simply take a few minutes to view this short tutorial. For more helpful templates and printables, visit our Etsy shop at sweetsinthesoul.etsy.com. Before you begin to change anything within this template, I would advise you to make a copy to keep as your original. Click on File, select Make a Copy, and it will automatically change over to your copy. And now you have this copy that you can save in your Canva program to use at a later date. So let's begin with the first template. This template is on a cute background of an old truck carrying pumpkins for the fall. Any of the content within this menu can be changed and adapted to suit your needs. This particular template is set up to use for a cookie artist or a baker at a marketing event. To change the business name, simply click on the business name, highlight, and type in the name of your business. I'm going to use Susie's Sweets, and then simply click out. You can also change the color of the font that you're using. Click on it, double click on it, highlight again, and go up to the A, which allows you to change the text color of any font that you have in your program. I can change it to another color, perhaps a brighter color if I want, and then just simply click out and you have that changed. You can also change any of the content by highlighting the area and changing it to what you're offering in your shop. Then go over and change insert the price of the product that you are selling. This particular menu also has combos that you can add to your selections. This encourages your customers to buy more products at one time for a discounted price. And of course, this particular template has the option to use scan and pay by using a QR code, which is very popular today among the markets. This is easy to accomplish using one of the apps in the Canva free version. Simply click on the apps, select the code generator you would like to use. This particular one allows you to select a pattern. Select your pattern, type in the URL of the app that you are using. Of course, you would continue to type in the one that you're using for your particular store. Click Save, and the generator automatically creates a QR code for you to use. All you will need to do is to delete the one that we had there holding the place and add this one down in the area. You can use the handles to change it to whatever size you need so that it fits neatly into that space. And just that quickly, you have a QR code for people to use when using some of the apps that you have to pay in your store. Our next template is more of a price list that you can use, a little bit more formal for this application, but can be edited in the exact same way. The business name can be edited by simply clicking on it, highlighting it, and adding the name of your store, Susie's Sweets. And of course, you can add any type of content that you have in the products that you'll be selling in your store. And again, the scan to pay is done the exact same way. With this particular one, you can even change the background to suit the colors that you would have in your store. Come back, just simply click on it, grab the color wheel of your choice. I'm going to change it to purple. And just that quickly, we have changed the look of this price list. And then finally, we have one that is not quite as formal, but has different types of combinations that we can use. Again, any of the content can be changed on this template, including the name of your business, the products that you are selling, as well as the fonts and the colors of the fonts. You can even change the clip art on this one. Say, for example, you're not selling this particular product and you want to go over and sell cupcakes in your store. Simply go to the Elements tab on your left and search for cupcakes. Now, if I'm using the free version of Canva, I would not want to choose any of these that have the crown because those have to be paid for unless you have the pro version of Canva. So let's just go through, let's check on a photo instead of a clip art. I'm going to go through and find one that is not a pro element. And here we go. We have a cupcake here that is not a pro element. Now when you click on it, it is going to come in at full size. And you simply grab the handles and move it over into whatever shape you need it to be, shape and size you need it to be, and place it on your menu. And there you have it all edited. Once you've edited the one that you would like, you now need to download it so that it can be printed. Simply go up, click on Share, and download. And you can download it as a PNG or JPEG. I suggest a PNG for printing. It prints very well in that format. I'm only going to print page 2. That's the only one that I have edited. Select Done and Download. Canva will download a copy of this PNG to your computer, and you can find those in the download section on your computer. Here it gives you an option to name it. You can rename it whatever you want to and simply hit Save. And from there you can pull it up and print it on your home printer, or you can send it over to a printing shop to have it professionally printed. And there you have an easily customizable menu that you can print and use during your fall markets. I wish you all the success in your ventures, and come back to see us soon at sweetsfromthesoul.etsy.com.